Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to do the rotate effect on DaVinci Resolve 19. So we have our video right in the timeline. Initially what you're going to want to do is select that video itself, go to Inspector, and then under Video we can see Zoom. We want to zoom in just a little bit, right? And maybe position it so it's centered. Okay, and now what we're going to do is bring the player head to the beginning. And right where you see rotational angle, we're going to move that all the way to the back. And then we're going to add a keyframe. So this keyframe signifies the beginning of an action for an effect or for anything else. And now we're going to go back to the timeline and press this keyframe toggle button so we can see where these keyframes start. And now we're going to move the player head to wherever we want the rotation to end. So I want to say I would want to end it right here. And now what I'm going to do is move this rotational angle all the way to the right. The keyframe's going to set, and now we've just added the rotational effect to our video. So check it out. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.